Sat Sri Akal मेरी बहनों. So guess what? If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Evelyn and I'm one of the beauty influencer and a content creator. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, product reviews and all that other jazz. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys two different ways of doing the eyeliner and how can it actually make your whole eye shape and whole your face shape look totally different. The techniques basically. So if you want to see how to create these two different kind of eye looks, eyeliners basically, and the lashes, just carry on watching this video. Like this video and want to see more content from my channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this kind of content, make sure you comment in the section below so I know to make more of this kind of stuff for you all. Love you all. Take care. Bye guys.
Hey beauties, so I already prepped my eyes using my Plouise makeup base. That's one of my favorites, and I just going to basically start with a cool tone brown eyeshadow. I'm using Sephora collection shifter eyeshadow palettes. These are my favorite eyeshadow palettes. They're super affordable, high quality, and they come in many different colors, and they're very travel friendly. I just applied the cool tone shadow all over my lid. The main thing you want to remember is where your natural crease is, take the eyeshadow and lift it upwards. That's going to help to make your eyes look really nice, long and lifted. So if you have a very round face, this is the technique you should do, because that will automatically make your face look really lifted. Now for the eyeliners, you can use any formulation you like. I will highly recommend you, if you are a beginner, use a eyeshadow and a very fine angled eyeliner brush. Eyeshadow is super beginner eyeliner practice friendly thing, because if you make any mistake you can wipe it off. I'm just mapping my eyeliner using my black eyeshadow and the eyeliner brush, and once I mapped it and kind of like roughly filled it, you can go with any formulation. Honestly, you can go with gel liner, liquid liner, felt tip liner, any type of other formulation of eyeliner. You can just go with that and just basically whatever you mapped, just apply it right on top of that. I'm going to use my felt tip liner, and today I'm using Urban Decay new 24/7 ink liners. These are my favorite. They, especially the way the packaging is, it's literally like holding a brush. It's very long. It's perfect for people who struggle to do eyeliner, because the felt tip liner is either too small or the tip is too long or something. This is a perfect one. Any mistakes you make, use a Q-tip with a little bit of a makeup remover and just clean it. To tight line your upper waterline or your lashes, use a gel eye pencil. I'm using a bone color eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm going to clean underneath my eyeliner, underneath my wing basically. That's going to make it look really nice and sharp. I'm adding some highlighter on my brow bone, because this is a must for me. If I'm doing a look like this, which is just an eyeliner, I have to have a highlighter, otherwise I feel like it is not done. But that's just me. If you don't want a highlighter, you can just go with a bone color eyeshadow, a matte eyeshadow, and apply a little bit below your brow bone. Now for the other side, now the first side I showed you, that is probably more like a lifted eyeliner, more like a Arabic look, but on this side I'm going to show you a cat eye eyeliner. So for cat eye eyeliner, the only thing you want to do is just first of all map your lash line. So apply a very thin line close to your lash line. Now you can use any formulation, again whichever one you want, but I will just highly recommend you to work with a very fine brush. Again, tight line your upper lash line. And for the cat eye, instead of taking the wing up towards your brow, you want to keep it straight. If it's not straight, it's not going to give you a cat eye look. It's going to in fact give you more like a lifted eye look. But for cat eye, you just want to keep everything nice and straight. Your wing has to be nice and straight, and the thin it is, the better it is. If it's too thick, it's not gonna look super attractive. It's not gonna make your eye look really long, because you don't want to block out a lot of your eye area. You want to keep your eye area still looking nice and long, like big and open. Now for the inner corner, I will highly recommend you to apply a little bit matte shadow in your inner corner, any shadow you like, bone color, whatever, and then go with the black eyeshadow with a very fine tip eyeliner brush and just extend from your inner corner going outwards, creating a ever so light triangle that's going to make your eye look really nice and long and elongated. And this is what the cat eye is basically. So look at the difference between this side and the other side. You can tell the difference right away, how much is making your eye shape and your whole face looking completely different. So for this, again, I'm going to take a bone color eyeshadow and just clean out underneath my wing, because your wing has to look nice and sharp. Going to curl my lashes, apply the highlighter on the other side as well. Now for the Arabic side kind of look, for more lifted eyeliner, I'm going to add a highlighter in my inner corner as well. So there we go. That's we have a final look with the lashes on. I use the half lashes for the cat eye and full lash for the Arabic look. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, make sure you give me thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. In the meantime, if you have a specific request, let me know, and stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.